All right, so for each key, what I have to do, I'm gonna show you guys the process here. I'm gonna open them both up. And you can see this is just a brand new key. Doesn't have anything on it. It clicks, but nothing, doesn't unlock the car, doesn't turn it on or whatever. Even if I insert the key, it turns it on, but it doesn't crank it, you know? It doesn't crank it. So it's not programmed for this car or whatever. So what we have to do, let me open the door so we can clear it out. I have to use both keys that I have. So I gotta pull out my other key. What you have to do, I'm gonna show you guys this real quick, man, how to program your Chrysler 300 key fob for free. You have to insert, this is my old school key. This is the key that I have that's broken. What you have to do, turn it in, it's on. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I'm gonna take that key out. I'm gonna put my other key, this broke. This is the other messed up key. I'm gonna turn that on. After about 10 seconds, you're gonna hear another tone, watch. Just be quiet, 10 seconds. There we go, you hear the tone? All right, cool. So now what you do is you just take the old key out, and I'm gonna put the brand new key that I just bought from Amazon, link in the description down below. I'm gonna put that in, turn it on, and in about 10 seconds, you're gonna hear another tone. After those tones, watch. Oh, there we go. You see it turned it on, right? It turned it on, right? So let's turn this boy off. We're gonna press the button to really see. We're gonna watch the doors. I'm gonna unlock the door. I'm gonna lock the doors and see what happened. Oh, yep, it's on there. So this key is programmed, right? But you're gonna say, oh, well, actually, I'm gonna program the other one real quick. So what we're gonna do, the same exact thing. I'm gonna open the door to clear out everything. I'm gonna insert this old key, because I have two keys I wanna program. I'm gonna insert this old key, turn it on, leave it on for about 10 seconds, right? Or 5 seconds. I got the counter right now on the camera, so I'm watching it for 5 seconds. All right, it's been 5 seconds. I'm gonna take this one out. I'm gonna take my other old one that's already programmed that just broke, that doesn't work. I'm gonna put that back in. I'm gonna wait for the tone. It's gonna tone in about 10 seconds after, you know, all these beeps, watch. All right, after this beep, it's gonna be another beep, and then you know it's ready. All right, you heard that tone. I'm gonna take out the old key, the old broken key. I'm gonna insert the brand new key that doesn't work. You see me pressing the buttons, nothing happened. Insert that into the car. Leave that in for a little bit, and you're good to go. You're good to freaking go. Watch. Last time it didn't beep or make a little, like a tone or whatever, but you can see, like, when I tried to unlock the doors or whatever, it toned. So we just gotta see if, I don't think it works. I don't think it's gonna tone, so we just gonna turn it on. Bam, worked, right? Started right up. I got 2 programmed keys, man, for free from Amazon, man. Like I said, comment down below if you guys need help or instructions. Look down low in the description, man. You'll get these keys, man. I got 2 of these they were like $25 for 2 keys, 2 unprogrammed keys, right? And the kicker is, the dealership was selling it for $200, $300, $400 program, man. It's nasty, bro. You know we all about doing things the cheapest way, man, going the cheapest route. We don't pay retail, we don't pay dealership prices unless we got that money. But my whole channel, man, is trying to do things the cheapest way, the dopest way, and keep money in your pocket, man. And that's the way it is, man. We just programmed 2 Chrysler 300 keys, man. I gotta edit all that out. I probably don't, but I don't care. Everybody make mistakes. But I'm cheap, man. Like, I don't want to work around with this tape all on this key and all this other stuff, man. And I go to like valet, I go get an oil change, and I got to tell them like, oh yeah, don't worry, you got to pull the key out and blah, blah, blah. You always got to give some goddamn instructions when I give somebody my key for this car. And like I said, I'm really trying to get it worked on and do all that type of stuff, man. So I was constantly giving people my key, and I just got embarrassed, you know. And I've already done this before, man. But like I said, I got 2 brand new keys, and let's test it out real quick. We're gonna see if this is the brand new key. We're gonna see if it unlocks. Bam, unlocks. Locks, bam, that's one. We're gonna try the other one. See if it unlocks. Bam, unlocks. Locks. We good to go. Oh, but I know now you guys are gonna say, hold up. You got this blank ass key, it's not gonna open any doors or whatever. And if I switch it up, if I put, if I put this old one into the new one, I'm just gonna test it out while I'm on camera. It doesn't work. This is the new key, this is the new fob, but the key still slides out. So I still gotta get the one, the blank blade. Oh shoot, my camera all tripping out, hold up, sorry about that. I still gotta get the blade program, man. So we're gonna go to Walmart right now, man. I'm gonna keep it going, man. So while we got a little intermission, man, comment down below, like it, blah, 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 all that type of stuff, man. But let's get it, let's go. We're gonna go to Walmart, we're gonna get these cut for free. I'm gonna get these cut for free. Let's go.